Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a VPN with ExpressVPN on your router, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect a VPN with ExpressVPN on your router, start by ensuring your router is compatible with VPN setups. Visit the ExpressVPN website and log in to your account. Navigate to the Setup section on the website. Choose Router from the list of available setup options. Download the ExpressVPN configuration files for your router. Open your router's admin interface by entering its IP address into a web browser. Log in with your router's admin credentials. Find the VPN configuration section within the router settings. Select the Open VPN option, as ExpressVPN supports this protocol. Upload the configuration files you previously downloaded. Enter your ExpressVPN account details as prompted by the router. Make sure to save your settings before moving on. After saving, look for an option to start the VPN service. Once started, verify the connection status to ensure it is active. Test the VPN connection by visiting a website that shows your IP address. Make sure your IP address reflects the VPN location you selected. If successful, your router is now connected to ExpressVPN. This setup will protect all devices connected to your network. Enjoy enhanced security and privacy with your new VPN configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.